Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Mango season is here. Here I'm back with another mango dessert which is mango tiramisu. It's a must-try dessert for mango lovers. Mangomisu or mango tiramisu is a combination of classic Italian dessert. But instead of using chocolate, tropical fruit like mango puree added. I would say a tropical twist to the classical tiramisu, creamy, bursting with that mango flavor. Ripe mango can be used in so many ways. One of the most favorite way to use it is making easy no-bake desserts. For this recipe, I used 2 Alfonso ripe mangoes. First, chop the mangoes into small pieces and blend it until smooth puree. Condensed milk half cup, or you can adjust. Heavy whipping cream, I'm using 1.5 cups. Mascarpone cheese 16 ounce and ladyfinger, here I used 36 pieces, and 1 cup of mango juice. Add 1.5 cup of heavy cream in a bowl, and you can whip the heavy cream until soft peak appears. Add half cup of condensed milk and whip it again, and finally you can add mango puree and whip it well. Finally, you can add the mascarpone cheese and whip it until there are no lumps. First, dip the ladyfinger in mango juice and don't let them soak way too much liquid. If you do, they will turn soggy within seconds, and we don't want that. And place a layer on the bottom of the dish. Now you can spread half of the mango mascarpone cheese mix over, and you can spread it evenly with a spatula. Place another layer of ladyfingers dipped in mango juice over, and then spread the remaining mango mascarpone cheese mix on top. the topping, I used 1 mango puree with a little mango juice or water. Then you can mix it with half teaspoon of agar and whisk it well. And then you can pour this over and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. Make sure to chill mango tiramisu well before serving. Mango tiramisu is a fruity version of the classic Italian dessert. Layers of ladyfingers, mascarpone, cheese, mango mixture and mango puree at the top. This mango tiramisu is alcohol free. This eggless mango tiramisu is an easy no-bake dessert, perfect for family get-togethers. Mango tiramisu or Mangomisu is ready to serve now. You can garnish with some chopped mangoes and serve it. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will leave the full detailed recipe in the description box. Please try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.